everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to recover Thread app account. Now to do that, what you need to open the Thread application. Once we're at the home page, you will see this icon or the text box, login with Instagram and your Instagram user ID. Tap on switch account. For you to recover, you need to have your Instagram account. If you are already logged in into the Instagram account, you will find this option which you will be easily be able to log in. You tap on login into the another Instagram account, and here you need to provide your Instagram details. So what you need to do is you need to provide your Instagram user ID, email or phone number, and then password. As Thread is a part of Instagram, the Instagram details that is on your Instagram account can be used for you to log in into the Thread account of yours as well. Provide the details, type in the password, tap on login. Once you tap on login, you will be logged in into the Thread account through your Instagram account credential. But one thing is you need to make sure that you type in the correct account credential, that is user ID, email or even your phone number, and then password. Only then you will be able to get logged in into the account. Otherwise, you need to go to your Instagram account and then follow the forgot password procedure for you to log in into the Instagram and then to log in into the Thread. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.